Okay, so what we've got here is a basic 90 centimeter roller blind kit. It's composed of the basic roller to which you attach the fabric, a base bar that goes into the bottom and helps weight the blind as it goes down, two fixings that go into the ceiling or the wall, and the rotary elements that fit into the fixings. So let's now see how that all goes together. The first one is the chain, because this is a chain operated blind that goes in there like that, and the fixing that goes onto that one is that one with the square, and at the other end is just the loose roller. Again, a similar fixing goes in there, snugly fits in there, and then that fits into there, and again it can go onto the ceiling or the wall, and then that would go like that in there. Quite importantly, there is a little hook device here which is a child safety mechanism to stop anybody getting themselves tangled up in the side chain here. Now, the flexibility of this, at the moment I set this up as a right hand pull, but if you wanted it to be a left hand pull, then all you do is swap over the fixings. There also comes with a set of screws and dowels to pop it into the ceiling or the wall. And finally, if you haven't caught all of that, there's a lovely set of instructions. Thank you.